In the grand tapestry of life, two threads intertwine, shaping our destiny, breaking the generational curse and building credit. The former, a journey of self-discovery and transformation, the latter, a practical tool for financial freedom. We've all heard the whispers, the hidden stories of our ancestors, the generational curses that bind us. It's time to sever these shackles. By understanding our past, we can reshape our future. We can break the cycle, change the narrative, rewrite our family's story. Parallel to this, the significance of building credit is paramount. It's the key to unlocking doors, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or securing a loan. Credit is not just a number, it's a reflection of our financial health. Breaking the generational curse and building credit are not separate paths, but intertwined journeys towards a better future. They are the stepping stones to financial stability, personal growth, and ultimately, freedom. Let's seize the reins of our destiny, break free from the past, and build a brighter future. Remember, the power to change lies within us. We are the architects of our destiny. Let's break the generational curse and build credit, not just for us, but for generations to come. Your journey starts now. Break the cycle, build your credit, and rewrite your story. Because the future is not written by the past, it's written by you.